I did. What you gonna do about it? Nothing. I did. Yo. Muffins in the freezer, they be lit. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I got no ice on my wrist, you can check. Need to invest and redouble the check. Had no paper, my life stayed on that stress. I was obsessed, 6 to the sound process.
Doing something that I didn't love. Wanna be in that place right above. Clean that sink, but I'ma get there. Visualize my vision, me, I just stare.
Getting back home so tired. My sleep was on wired. Some days not inspired.
No.
Need to do what's required.
Who in the hell put the muffins in the freezer?
I did. What you gonna do about it?